Hi, everybody, and welcome to another installment of Mr. Suess's Pieces. And today we're going to learn a few pieces about your subjects that you would be learning at school. Science, let me start off with science, saying that I wish I would have brought my big gray tubs home from school because they have a lot of science things that we'd be working on. I don't have them though. So, what I'm going to do is this weekend I'm going to be looking for a science experiment that you and I can do next week, and so be looking for that. So let's look at ELA. Today we're going to decipher between three different spellings of the word there. That's important when you're writing. The first there, THERE, most common, shows direction. Okay, go over there, or there is my neighbor. Okay, so that kind of there just shows direction. THERE, most common. Second one, THEIR, shows possession. So, that's their house. It belongs to them. THEIR. Okay, and your third there, which you don't see as often, but it still is important, is THEY apostrophe RE. That apostrophe actually takes place of an A. It's like you squeeze the A out of they are, and the A went flying, and there's an apostrophe that leaves a trail. So, when would we use that kind of there? They're going on a trip is they are. So it's also there with an apostrophe RE. That's the kind of there for that. Okay, so good on that. Practice those. Maybe put some in a sentence. Social studies. I know my class, you're still working on informational research on your colonial event or person. Please keep doing that. As a matter of fact, when you come back to school, you'll want to make sure to bring all of your information that you've looked up over the last few weeks. Also, you can get on Epic if you can get on there from home with your free account. Then maybe start reading a colonial topic. I know Mrs. Zank is reading you a book right now that has to do with colonial times. That's great. Now let's look at math real quick. Adding and subtracting, unlike fractions. Remember, you can't just add across. That's when you multiply. You have to figure out what's a common denominator. And here I have 1/9 plus 3/27. Okay, now if you know your times tables, which is another good thing to be studying right now, you know that between 9 and 27, what would be the good denominator to change these two? Well, if I do my 9s, 9, 18, 27, then you've already figured that out. So I can leave 3/27 alone because I'm now going to change my common denominator for here to 27. How did 9 get to 27? Well, 3 times, right? So whatever I do to the bottom, got to do to the top. So 1 times 3 is going to be 3. And now, what is 1/9 plus 3/27? Well, the answer, because remember, we don't add the bottoms together, just the tops, 6/27. Now, can I reduce that even further? I can. What number will go into 6 and 27? How about 3? How many 3s in 6? 2. How many 3s in 27? 9. So my final answer, 1/9 plus 3/27 is going to be 2/9. So yay. Got that figured out. And yeah, and pretty soon I'm going to be reading you this book called Out of My Mind, and it's by Sharon Draper. It's a really, really good book. So it's coming soon. You're going to like it. Okay, well, just remember, when you're adding or subtracting fractions, the bottom number must be like, the denominator must be like, otherwise the math police might show up at your door if you add them straight across. Oh no, I swear I did it right, but I better go. So see you next time on Mr. Suess's Pieces.